Hello everyone, how are you today? I'm your teacher Jem Raymond and today we will discuss another lesson in your Mathematics 6 Quarter 2 and we will be performing another operations involving integers. Are you ready?
Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel, Tutorial by Sir Raymond. My name is Mr. Jem Raymond Chen, Master Teacher 2 from Escalante Central Elementary School. Click like and share if this video tutorial helps you. Don't forget to click subscribe below to keep updated for my future tutorial. For your suggestions, especially on the topic for my next tutorial, please leave your comment below. Hope you learned something in my video lessons for this week. Thank you so much for watching. Stay home and stay safe.
Welcome to our mathematics class. And our objective for this time is to perform operations involving integers. Particularly, we will be subtracting integers. We will subtract first both positive integers. Let's have this example. Positive 5 minus positive 3. As we did last time, meron tayong iba't ibang paraan how to perform operation involving integers, right? Pero let us use first the first method, which is by the use of counters. Alam nyo pa ba kung anong ibig sabihin ng counters? Yes, yung mga counters class ay yung mga pambilang. Pwede mong gamitin yung mga pinagugupit-gupit na mga papel class, cartolina, or even illustration board. Cut this in circular shape. And after that, you draw or you put positive sign and negative sign on it. Now, for example, let's put inside the box 5 counters na positive to represent positive 5. So, ito yung class. Yan, ito yung mga counters class, no? Yung mga pambilang natin. We have 5 positive counters here ang nagre-represent ng positive 5. Okay? Now, we don't need to prepare another 3 positive counters kasi yung operation natin dito class ay subtraction. So, since dalawang positive numbers ito, all we have to do is to take away positive 3 from here in our positive 5 na integer. So, to do that, let me show this to you. Yan. Nahiwalay na natin ang positive 3. Since nahiwalay na natin yung positive 3 class, ilan na lang yung counters na natira inside the box? Yes, ang natira na lang ay dalawang counters. So meaning, the answer here is positive 2. Positive 5 minus positive 3 is equal to positive 2. Let's try another method naman class by the use of number line. Okay, this is the number line class. So of course, we will look at first positive 5 in the number line. Yan. Okay? Now, this is positive 5. Since subtraction ang ating operation, we have to deduct positive 3 from our point positive 5 here. And to do that, we have to move 3 units to the left of the number line. Okay, please observe. 1, 2, 3. What is the answer? Yes, still we got positive 2 as our answer. Okay, this time let's use the third method and I think this is the easiest way to solve this problem. Pero meron lang mga steps na dapat tandaan class, no, para ma-solve mo ito correctly. So please take note of the step. We have here step 1, change the sign of the subtrahend. Ano ba yung subtrahend dito? Yes, itong positive 3. Ang tawag naman natin dito sa positive 5 ay minuend. Okay, so sabi dito sa step 1, we have to change the sign of the subtrahend. So yung sign dito ng subtrahend natin ay positive. So i-change natin ito to negative. So it will become negative 3. Okay, so positive 5 remain or you copy and then negative 3 na. So take note, the first step, from positive 3, naging negative 3. That is the first step. Change the sign of the subtrahend. The second step, change the subtraction operation to addition. Okay, so itong subtraction operation natin, class, iti-change natin ito to addition. Okay, so from this one, maglalagay na tayo ng addition dito. Okay, nakuha nyo? Next, and the third step, follow the rule in adding integers with unlike signs, then copy the sign of the number with the larger value in the answer. Can you still remember what we did last time when we add integers? Okay, so i-apply natin yung rule natin, class, in adding integers kasi ito na yung ating bagong expression na isosolve, class. Hindi na ito. No? So this one is still equal to this one. Now, since addition na ang ating operation and we have unlike signs here, kapag unlike signs, class, anong gagawin natin? Yes, magsasubtract tayo. Okay? Ng kanilang absolute value. Now, the absolute value of positive 5 o ibig sabihin ng absolute value, class, i-disregard natin yung sign nila. So, 5 na. And then, the absolute value of negative 3 o i-disregard natin yung sign ng negative 3, magiging 3 na lang. Okay? So, disregard the signs, class. 5 minus 3, how much? Yes, the answer is 2. Pero, ano ang sign na dapat ilagay natin sa 2? Now, ano ba ang mas malaking absolute value? 5 o 3? Yes, 5 ang mas malaki ang absolute value kung i-disregard natin yung signs nila. Ngayon, so nakapili na tayo ng mas malaking absolute value which is 5. Ngayon, ano ang original sign ng ating 5? Positive. So, ang ilalagay natin dito na sign ay positive. So, you notice, class, using these three methods, okay, by the use of counters, by the use of the number line, and by the use of this method, we still get the same answer. Positive 2, and positive 2. So, meaning, positive 5 minus positive 3 ay equal to positive 2. Okay, this time, let us subtract both negative numbers or integers. Okay, let's take this example, negative 5 minus negative 3. Again, we are subtracting both negative numbers here. So, of course, we will use first the counter just like we did earlier. So, we will put inside the box 5 negative counters. So, ito yung nagre-represent, class, ng negative 5. We will take away negative 3 from negative 5. So, please observe. Yan. So, ilan na lang yung natira inside our box? Yes, dalawang negative counters and that will represent negative 2. So, yung tamang sagot for this is negative 2. And this time, let's use number line. Okay? So, of course, this is your number line and we will locate negative 5 in here. Yan. Ngayon, we will subtract negative 3 from negative 5. And to do that, we have to move 3 units to the right. Okay? So that will represent negative 3. So this is 1, 2, 3. So you notice? Yan. Our final answer here is negative 2. This time, let us use the third method. So just like we did earlier, take note with the step. Okay, this is the common way in solving this problem. Kapag ang operation natin, class, is subtraction, then you have to change the sign of the subtrahend, which is negative 3. This will become positive 3. Yan, copy. And then, positive 3. Next, step 2, ano yung gagawin natin? Change the operation to addition. Okay, so ito na siya at we will change the operation to addition. So ngayon, ang step 3 natin ay proceed to addition of integers with unlike signs, then copy the sign of the number with the larger value in the difference. So, just like we did earlier, we will apply the rule in adding unlike integers. So, dahil unlike ito, anong gagawin natin? Magkaiba yung kanilang sign, class? Yes, kapag magkaiba yung sign nila, ang gagawin natin ay isa-subtract natin sila. That is the ruling in adding integers. But kukunin muna natin yung absolute value nilang dalawa. Yung i-disregard natin yung kanilang mga sign. So, kapag ma-disregard yung sign ng negative 5, magiging 5 na lang ito. The absolute value of negative 5 is 5. And the absolute value of positive 3 is 3. Now, anong nga gagawin natin sa kanilang mga absolute values? Isa-subtract natin. So, 5 minus 3 becomes 2. Ano naman ang kanyang sign? Ano ang sign na gagamitin natin for 2? Ano ba yung malaki ang absolute value? Ang 5 o ang 3? Yes, kung absolute value ang ating babasehan, 5 yung mas malaking value kaysa sa 3. Ngayon, ano ba ang original sign or symbol ng ating 5? Yes, negative. So, negative ang ating gagamitin na symbol for our 2 in here. So, ibig sabihin, negative 2 ang ating final answer. So, you notice, class, by the use of counters, by the use of our number line, and by the use of the third method, ang ating final answer becomes negative 2. In this time, let us subtract unlike signs, class, or unlike integers. So, ang positive integer isasubtract natin sa negative integer, o yung negative integer isasubtract natin sa positive integer. Now, let's take this example. Positive 5 minus negative 5. Of course, we will be using the first method, which is the use of counter to solve this. So, magpe-prepare tayo, class, ng box. And of course, we will put inside that box 5 counters. Na positive, of course, no? Ito yung nagre-represent, class, ng positive 5. Ngayon, since the operation is subtraction, babawasan natin ito ng negative 5, as we see here in our problem. Can we take away negative 5 from our box here? Siyempre hindi, di ba? Bakit hindi? Paano natin mababawasan ito? Wala namang negative na counters na nasa loob ng box natin. So, paano natin ito gagawin? Again, hindi tayo makakakuha ng negative counters sa ating box dito kasi nga walang negative counters na nasa loob. Hindi naman po pwede, class, na basta-basta na lamang tayo na maglagay ng negative counter sa loob kasi mag-iiba na ang ating problem kung ganyan. So, paano natin makukuha yung negative 5 na counters dito? Anong gagawin nga natin? Now, what should we add in our positive 5 here to maintain its value na positive 5? Ano kaya yung ating ilalagay sa loob, class, na hindi mag-iiba yung value ng ating positive 5 dito? Yes, very good. Pwede tayong maglagay dito, class, ng 0. Diba? 5 plus 0 is still equal to 5, diba? So, pwede tayong maglagay ng 0 sa loob. Now, babalikan natin yung natalakay natin last time, class. Can you still remember the first video I uploaded regarding adding integers? Naalala nyo pa ba na yung 0 natin ay equal to positive and negative? Yung 0 natin, class, ay equal sa positive 1 plus negative 1, di ba? Kapag inad natin yung isang positive sa isang negative, ang result niyan ay 0. Natalakay natin ito on my previous video lesson, specifically on adding integers. Gagamitin natin itong konsepto na to, class, para malagyan nga ng negative counters ang nasa loob ng box natin without changing the value of 5. Ibig sabihin, maglalagay tayo ng 5 0 inside our box here. Yan. So, 5 0. Nabago ba yung value ng 5 natin dito? Di ba hindi? Okay, ngayon, instead of writing 0 here, i-replace natin ito ng ganito. Yan. Isang pares ng positive at saka yung negative, papalitan natin yung bawat 0 dito. Okay? Bakit natin gagawin yan? Kasi nga, maglalagay tayo ng negative counter sa loob ng box natin kasi ito yung hinihingi ng problem, no? kinakailangang mag-deduct tayo ng negative counters. Wala naman kasi tayong negative counters sa loob. Maglalagay tayo ng negative counters, pero without changing the value of our positive counters here, which is positive 5. Okay? So, please observe. Yan, yung 0 na yan, papalitan natin ng ganyan. Di ba? Ito din. Kasi nga, 0 is equal to positive 1 plus negative 1. Yan. Ito na yung ating counters na nasa loob ng ating box. Okay? So, meron na tayong negative dito. Pero again, hindi nagbago ang value ng positive 5 natin dito. We are now ready to take away negative 5 na counters. Kukunin na natin yung negative 5 dito na counters, ilalabas natin sa box, at yung matitira sa loob ng box ay ang final answer natin sa problem na to. Okay, please observe. Yan. So, nailabas na natin yung 5 na counters. Ito yung nagre-represent ng negative 5 dito. Ilang counters ang natira sa ating box? Yes, 10. At, take note, puro positive counters yan. So, anong ibig sabihin yan? Very good. The final answer for this is positive 10. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, positive 10 ang answer ng positive 5 minus negative 5. Did you get it? Very good. Okay, this time, let us use number line class. Okay, pero before natin gamitin yung number line, we have to change first the format of our problem. So we have here positive 5 nga minus negative 5. Pero i-change muna natin ito class, no? Into addition. Okay, para mas easy siya i-plot sa number line natin. So yung 5 natin, copy ito. And then i-change natin ito class into positive. Okay, and then we will proceed to addition. Yung positive 5 minus negative 5 ay equal lang class or pareho lang sa positive 5 plus positive 5. Mas madali kasi i-plot yung mga integers class sa number line kapag addition na ang operation. Okay? So, gagamitin natin ito class ito. So, ito yung ating number line. We will locate first positive 5 here. Ito. And then, we will add another positive 5. So, going to the right tayo. We will move 5 units going to the right. Kasi positive yung ating number dito. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So, you notice, our final answer here is yan, positive 10. Okay, ito yung final answer natin dito. Same tayong nakuha na answer as we did the method using counters kanina, di ba? Let's have the next method. So the first step would be change the sign of the subtrahend. Okay? So ito yung original problem natin. And then i-change natin ito class to positive. Okay? So kopyahin natin ito. And then this will become positive. And the second step, we have to change the operation from subtraction to addition. So i-change natin ito. We will use addition na. Okay, and after that, we will apply the ruling in adding integers. In this case, like signs naman ang ina-add natin. No? Ito yung i-add natin class. So, anong ibig sabihin kapag like signs? Yes, very good. Mag-add lang tayo class, diretso. No? No need to find the absolute value kapag parehas naman yung signs ng dalawang ina-add natin. So, 5 plus 5 equals 10, and of course, follow the sign of the numbers that we are adding. So, that's it. So, kinakailangan class, kabisaduhin mo yung mga step na to. Ito yung napakadaling step class, no? In solving problems involving integers, specifically subtracting integers. So, again, our final answer here is positive 10. Okay, let's have an activity. Perform the indicated operations, and we have 5 items for this. Let's have number 1, positive 1 minus positive 6. Ang gagamitin natin dito class na method ay yung pangatlong method na ginamit natin. Kasi nga, sa sinabi ko na, ito yung napakadaling way, no? kung saan masosolve natin correctly yung operations involving integers. So, the first step is to change the sign of the subtrahend. Copy the minuend and then change the sign of the subtrahend. Itong positive 6 na to class ang ating subtrahend. So, positive siya, magiging negative. And then, yung operation natin na subtraction and we will proceed to addition. So, addition na tayo. Now, we will apply the ruling in addition class. So, kapag magkaiba ang kanilang sign, magsasubtract tayo. Isasubtract natin ang kanilang absolute value. So, i-disregard natin yung mga sign class, magiging 6 na lang at ito ang magiging 1 na lang. So, ang 6, isubtract natin sa 1. How much? Yes, 5 ang answer. Ngayon, ano ba ang mas mataas ang value ng absolute value ng dalawang ito? Ang 6 o ang 1? Yes, mas mataas yung absolute value ng 6 kaysa sa 1. Pero ano ang original sign ng ating 6? Yes, negative. So that's why negative yung tamang sagot for number 1. Let's have number 2, positive 14 minus positive 9. The first step is to change the sign of the subtrahend. So from positive 9, magiging negative 9 na yan. Okay? Of course, kukopyahin mo lang yung minuend natin. And then of course, yung ating subtraction magiging addition na. Ngayon, magkaiba ang kanilang sign. So kung magkaiba yung sign, magsasubtract tayo. That is the ruling in adding integers. So 14 minus 9, how much? Yes, 5 na lang. Ano ba yung mas malaking absolute value? 14 o ang 9? Yes, 14. So, ano ba yung sign ng 14? Yes, positive. So, positive 5 yung tamang sagot. Number 3, positive 30 minus negative 12. So, again, we will change the sign of our subtrahend, which is negative 12. This will become positive 12. Okay? So, copy lang yung 30 class na minuend. And then, kung na-change na natin yung sign ng subtrahend, iti-change din natin yung ating subtraction dito at magiging addition siya. So, take note, i-apply na natin yung ruling ng ating adding integers. So, pareha sila ng sign class. Kung pareha sila ng sign, then proceed to addition talaga. So, 30 plus 12 ay magiging 42. Of course, positive yan kasi positive naman talaga yung dalawang numbers natin na in-add. Okay, so that's positive 42. Now, negative 23 minus positive 40. So, follow the step. Same procedure pa din. Change yung ating sign ng subtrahend. Yung positive 40 magiging negative 40. And then, of course, kukopyahin lang natin yung negative 23 na minuend. But then, we will change this to addition. Yan. So, kung addition na, i-apply din natin yung concept in adding integers. Sa kung saan, basta magkaparehas ng ang kanilang symbol or sign, then proceed talaga sa addition. 23 plus 40 ay magiging 63. Okay? So, of course, negative yung sign niya kasi negative yung numbers na ating na-add. Ito yung final answer natin. Number 5. Positive 15 minus negative 8. So, of course, first step, change the sign of the subtrahend. From negative, magiging positive siya. Pero i-change din natin itong subtraction na to sa addition and then copy lang yung minuend natin. And then, apply the ruling in adding integers. So, since parehas naman sila na positive, then proceed talaga sa addition. 15 plus 8 ay 23. So, positive din yung 23 kasi positive yung dalawang in-add na number. So, ito yung final answer natin dito. I know class, medyo nakakalito talaga when we perform operations involving integers. Pero yun nga, sa sinabi ko na kanina, kinakailangang tandaan mo lang yung mga steps na kailangan mong sundin to solve it correctly. Pero kung medyo nakalimutan mo yung mga steps, pwede mo namang ulit-uliting panoorin yung video na to, no? Para mas masanay ka na talaga how to subtract integers. Hanggang dito na muna tayo, class. Till next time. Thank you so much for watching. Keep safe, everyone.